Y'all, I have got to be out of the house all day today, but I want to come home tonight. I want to walk in that door and smell something else cooking for me. Little Mr. Crock Pot. And I want to be able to feed my family something good this evening instead of like, well, I didn't have time. And so if I've got just a few minutes, we're going to get this started. No nonsense today. I'm going to get y'all right down here. We're going to make a creamy white chicken in the crock pot and have us a good supper tonight. So y'all come on. I'm going to put some frozen boneless chicken breast. I'm doing 3. You could do 4, 6, 8, however many you want. I'm going to salt and pepper. Salt. I'm going to season with this. It's called Wishbone Italian dressing mix. I have got a package in here from another time we made this chicken together. So just put about a teaspoon per piece of chicken. And mine, since I've used it before, I finished that up today. We've got a can of cream of chicken soup. If you're doubling the recipe, of course, you might want to put 2 cans. We've got some chicken broth. I'm going to put a can of that in here. Just like that. And last but not least, this is our creamy part, is a package of cream cheese. And I've already cut it into blocks so I could get it down in there. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to turn it on high for 6 to 8 hours. One more thing I like to add is a little bit of parsley flakes. Guys, it has been a good 8 hours. I stirred them around one time. You see the chicken's gotten nice and done. Take it out of here. Oh, it smells wonderful. Now, at this point, if this isn't creamy enough or mixed together enough, just take your whisk, just like that, and as you see, it makes a nice, wonderful sauce. Put this to the side. We're going to cut our chicken. It's just fall apart tender, too, so it's not hard to get it cut. Cut it in bite-sized pieces. Like this. Then I'm going to take, I've got some pasta I cooked. This is penne pasta. Slide one of those pieces of chicken off there. Some of this wonderful sauce. Doesn't it look good, y'all? I know. One more thing I like to do is grate some parmesan right on top. And if you don't have a piece of parmesan to grate, you are welcome to use that you pre-buy that's grated. Absolutely, I use it all the time. Be just fine. And enjoy. Here we go.